Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Easy Solution System. This is a location in Benin where retail man is being installed and is answering all their questions. This is the name of the business is FORDMART Supermarket, located in Benin, number 7 Sapele Road, Benin. Is opposite Edo Specialist Hospital and beside Oko Prison in Benin. A very big mall, legacy mall in Benin. So, retail man is installed here, is handling their accounting, their inventory, their stock management, their sales points, their end of day sales, their trial balance, and lastly, their scaling system as well. When it comes to the frozen department, when it comes to their vegetables, their fruits, retail man is handling it 100%. So these are the departments, and where we are currently now is the provision department, where you have your oils and the rest. This is the bakery department. They sell all kinds of bakery items. They sell all kinds of bread. They have the sardine bread, the normal bread, the coconut bread. They have the burger bread. This is the pastry. This is their restaurant where you buy all sorts of food and your pastries, your meat pie, and the rest. So this is the snack department. So it's a very big mall, and they have up to 3-story building in this particular mall, and retail man is handling the system perfectly. What we installed for them is a multi-location system in this particular location. A multi-location system where they have the mall and the warehouse in one database. The mall and the warehouse in one database. You understand? Which whenever supplier supplies goods, whenever they buy goods in large quantity, whenever goods comes in to the mall, they first of all receive it in warehouse, and the goods stays in warehouse. You understand? The goods stays in warehouse, and whenever they need goods inside the mall, they will perform a stock transaction that will move the goods from the warehouse to the mall. Meaning, whenever they want to take stock take, whenever they want to handle stock take, they can view reports, they can view the stock quantity for just warehouse and count everything that is in warehouse and confirm the stock with what's in the system. Then whenever they want to count for mall, they confirm everything they have inside the mall and tally and confirm if it tallies with what they have in the system. That's what is called a multi-location system. Multi-location system is a system that recognizes two different quantities in one database. Two different quantities in one database. So this is one of the motto that came to supply goods. So this is where it's packed. So they will be removing the goods now and be storing it inside the warehouse. This is the warehouse. They will be storing it inside the warehouse, and these are the floor guys. So they are moving the inventory perform a stock transaction. So they will be moving the goods from inside the warehouse to inside the mall. Whichever goods the sales rep tell them that this goods is finishing, they will just request for the goods. They perform a stock transfer from the warehouse to inside the mall, and they move the goods from the warehouse to inside the mall. So this department is handled by the inventory department. The inventory department are the people that handle the warehouse. So this is the warehouse, this is the engine of the warehouse. So you see that the next location you will see is the inventory department. This is the inventory department here before you now enter inside the mall. So these are the goods that they are moving from warehouse to inside the shop floor, inside the mall where they perform the sales. So don't forget to order your license from www.easy-solution.com. If you want to buy your license, you buy from www.easy-solution.com. You can reach us on Facebook at Easy Solution System. You can reach us on YouTube on Easy Solution System. You can reach us on Instagram on Easy Solution System. And don't forget, whenever you get your license from us, we'll be there to guide you during your installation time, in the training. Any question you have at all about Retail Man accounting software, we'll be there to answer all your questions. We are active 24 hours if you are buying your license from us. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. Ta-da.
So as you can see, Retail Man is answering all the questions. There isn't Retail Man for your point of sale. So it's well designed for and it's answering all their questions. They don't have any issue with this particular system. So this is it. So this is where they do their final checkout. So when they are done with their final checkout, they bring the goods to this point. This is where the checkers will check it out before they now leave the mall. So I'm done with this part. Let's go up to the up floor now. Then two.
Now, so good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this solution system. So this is a scale FORDMART Limited in Benin. We have actually configured the scale to work with our accounting software. You understand? So now, these are all the products. These are all the products and their clue number. So this clue number is what the scale recognizes as the part number for the product. So now I take a product, this apple, I put it on the scale, then I will look for the name of the product under the table, under the paper, and this is it, red apple 1 kg. Red apple 1 kg, and it's number 24. So all I need to do now is to click on number 24. Then it will show me the unit price here. The total. This is the number of the kg, 0.91 as number of the kg, net kg 0.91. Then this is the total of the price, 4,040.40. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and print. Once I press my print, it comes out with the tag. So I just paste it on the product. Now our accounting software is going to recognize the product, the part number, the price, and the weight just by scanning it. The cashier don't need to start typing anything manually. Once we just scan it, it comes out. Carry the camera.
This one now like this. I want to scan it. Welcome you guys.
So this is our software. Zoom it, Retail Man. So this is our accounting software, Retail Man. So all we are going to do now is to scan the product, and the system will recognize both the weight 0.91 and the price all together without you typing anything manually. So I go ahead and scan. So this is it. This is what came out. Red apple. This is the part number. This is the name of the product, red apple, and this is the weight. 9,000. The weight is 0.91. This is the amount per 1 kg, and this is what came out as the total kg. 4,440.40. 40 kobo, which is exactly the same thing here, 4,040 kobo. So thank you guys, and don't forget to order your license from www.easysolution. Don't forget to order your license from www.easy-solution.com. And whenever you have an issue, we are going to see how we'll assist you to master the system very well. So thank you guys, and have a nice day.
Right? You can use elevator, and you can use escalator to go up to the second floor, where you have your electronics and other gadgets. If you look at it, where you have your electronics and other gadgets, they also sell in FORDMART supermarket. As you can see, like I said, it's not a small one, it's a very big place, and retail man is configured and also answering all their questions. So this is their cosmetic department. This is their cosmetic department, where they sell all kinds of cosmetic, detergents, and the rest. So you can see, all in one-stop shop. So get your license from us at easy-solution.com, and we'll assist you whenever you have any issue concerning retail man. Good morning. So we'll assist you anytime you have any issue concerning retail man accounting software. All you need to do is to get your license from www.easy-solution.com to get your license, and we'll be there for you anytime you need help and assistance, whether you're a reseller or a retail, whether you're a reseller or you're buying to use, anything, just get your license from us and we answer all your questions. So we are still in one legacy mall. So these are all the particles, and they still have other floors up. So you can use, like I said, you can use the escalator or you can use the elevator to go up. Sorry, I know, show your head. So we are still in one shop floor. So this is where you get all your kitchen utensils, and everything that has to do with home appliances and kitchen utensils. This is the department where you get them. This is stationaries. Everything that has to do with stationaries is in this department. And this is where you get your clothing, like your undies and kids wear and the rest. So also the same as here. Same thing as here. So for those ones that like to smoke, so you can also get your shisha from this particular space. They have all kinds of shisha and their flavors, all in one-stop shop. So they also have dog food, and retail man is answering all their questions. So this is it. FORDMART supermarket. FORDMART supermarket is beside Oko prison in Benin, Sapele Road, and is opposite Edo Specialist Hospital. As you can see, is opposite Edo Specialist Hospital in Benin. So thank you guys, and don't forget to get your license from www.easy-solution.com. Thank you guys.